What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at cat products that you can buy online, accessories that you can get on Amazon. I'm going to show you my cat Mykonos. Let's go ahead and dive in and take a look. All right, so this is Mykonos right here. He's sitting on his brother, who's a dog, Larry Berto's bed. But you can see having a nice little couch like this. They come in all different sizes. This one's like a small dog bed, but you can get one for the cat and it works pretty good. So this is our first item. Links are gonna be in the description if you like any of these products. So this right here, this little cat kind of bed, also is a way for him to scratch his paws, which he loves to do. He already destroyed this little mouse that was hanging from it, so that's something to keep in mind. But this little product here, it functions as a little bed. He can go up there and you can see he likes to scratch his paws, and he can also sit down here. And so this little thing you can get, it's not too expensive. He did destroy the little ball thing, so I will make mention of that. But you can see he loves to get petted. All right, so this is really cool because it's got a scratch pad right here. You can see right here. It's got these balls that he loves to play with. You can see he's just having all types of fun with that. And then if he wants to hide out, which he loves to do, he can go right in here, and that's where he kind of likes to hide out in his little den and have fun and show off and do his thing. So for the most part of the day, this is where he's at. So he's on this. It's Boots in Berkeley little bed. It sits right here on the couch. The thing that he likes about that is he gets a clear view of whoever walks in the house. So right here, this little bed right here is really his favorite bed. He sits in that all the time. All right, so then you have this cat tower, which is whenever someone shows up, he always likes to sit up here. And every time he comes in here, whether it's stress or whatever, he always likes to scratch his claws on these. So a cat tower like this cat tower is over a year old. It's been fantastic, it works great. When it comes to water, you can see this little water fountain right here. By Viken. He's probably not thirsty right now, but whenever he does get thirsty, you know, it's a little water fountain if you guys want something. He's also got these bowls here for his treats and whatnot. He's just a real friendly cat, let me tell you that much. But yeah, a little water fountain for him to drink water. All right, so when it comes to food, we've got a couple different options that we've got here. So when we're out of town, if I go out of town for like 2 days or overnight or something, I'll put food in here, and it's got a timer, and you can actually dispense it every 6 hours, every 12 hours, whatever you want. And, you know, he'll do that pretty good. So this is by ARF Pets. I'll put a link to that. It's just a timer feeder. And then obviously having a food storage like this, you know, just a little food storage that works pretty good. Meow, you know, whatever. This cat carrier, obviously you're gonna need a cat carrier because if you have to take him to the vet or take him to a friend's house, you know, and he might not like going in the car for a ride, just get a pet carrier like that. That one I've had for over a year and it works. All right, so when it comes to cat litter, you know, if there's anything that I could recommend is getting a bigger box. I use this Brute box, and I use this Tidy Cats clumping litter, fresh and clean, unscented. But one thing that I really think is great, not just having a deep litter box like this and a strong storage container, is this. This right here, this metal Primo scooper. And look at it, I even got a thing to mount it up against the wall. So I'll put links to all this in the description below. But yeah, kitty litter, it happens. If you get a chance, get some of this Arm & Hammer Pet Fresh for your carpet and also for the litter deodorizer. Because you know, you don't want to just be replacing the kitty litter all the time. And these bags if you can get them. So there's the crazy crew. They're brothers, Larry Berto and Mykonos. Larry Berto and making us both know when it's eating time when I go in here. But you can see in this drawer here, we've got lots of different things here for snacks, and these little, if you get a chance, get those. And if you have an aggressive cat like I do, the second you throw something like this, he's just like, what do you got for me? What do you got for me? Look at him. Toys. Okay, besides having a really good vacuum, having one of these little lint rollers, this is a Chom Chom roller, you can see, specifically designed for pet hair, but you can see right here, it's kind of like a lint roller, but it works pretty good. Put a link in the description. So that little bed right there, it's actually a larger bed. It can actually be a bed for the dog and the cat if for whatever reason they're feeling friendly. And if you don't already have a yarn ball, you should get a yarn ball because he loves his yarn ball, usually. And so if you've never used a laser, you should get one because cats love lasers. I'll put a link to a laser in the description if you haven't ever tried this before, but you can see that just wears him out. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video on cat supply products that you can buy online to keep your cat, your indoor cat, happy and excited. Smash up the likes and crush that subscribe button if you're new here, and we'll see you on the next one.